My name is Mimy. This is my very first video on this channel. I love drawing and coloring so much. I truly believe we're going to create many wonderful things together. For the first drawing, I chose to become a family with you all. We're going to draw a huge, beautiful house. If you have your paper and coloring pencils ready, let's start drawing. We're starting the drawing with the foundation first. It's just made up of a simple rectangle, but it needs to be as wide as our house will be. We're drawing a big square right in the middle of the foundation. This square needs to be drawn quite a bit wider. After that, we'll add windows on the sides. Now, add a triangle to the top of your inner square, making sure the sides overhang slightly and evenly. Now, we'll add the other two sides where the windows are going to sit. These are just rectangles, but the trick here is to join them just above the points of the inner roof triangle. Now that you have your sides drawn in, you can add the side parts of the roof. To do this, start near the top of the inner roof, but leave the point of the triangle sticking out higher. Then, take your line out until it's parallel to the outer edge of the side parts rectangle. Now that you have your sides drawn in, you can add the side parts of the roof. To do this, start near the top of the inner roof, but leave the point of the triangle sticking out higher. You can also create a column effect around the door/porch by adding a second line next to your existing ones on either side of the door. To draw the door, start with a rectangle that's centered in the middle part of your house. Leave space on either side and slightly less space over top of the rectangle. Then add your details. If you're struggling to recreate the square windows in this house drawing tutorial, here's an easy trick. First, lightly sketch squares in the middle of each side. Don't worry about the flower box for now. Now you can do the next part of this in two different ways. The first is to erase part of the window and fill in your window boxes in pencil. The second, which is usually easier, is to draw your window boxes and details over top. To draw the round window in the attic, start with the outer circle, then add the inner one and a cross for the panes. Add stripes to your house's roof to make it look more detailed. This is a great time to bring out that ruler to get them even. Once I'm done drawing, I like to use a pen or marker to go over my lines. Not only will this add definition, but it will make coloring a lot easier. Color your house however you like. If you want to get really fancy, try adding some shading for the shadows or glass details on the windows. If you enjoy making fun and educational drawings with me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next drawing. I love you all!